1 year already since I launched Accessible. This wonderful project that I had in mind and started to write about during COVID came to life 1 year ago, and I couldn't be grateful enough to have all of you, our viewers, following us. Now we are almost 30,000 subscribers, my amazing crew, and of course my wonderful family that has been so supportive of me started this project, doing what I like that I have put on pause when I was having my boys and them growing up and everything, being together with them, and now go back to journalism, go back to the connection with people, with places, where I found inspiration and wonderful guests that were willing to share their journey with me. So really, thank you so much. And today I would like to share this moment with you on this beautiful yacht where we are going to go along the Douro River here in Porto. So join us in this celebration of Accessible 1 year. Thank you so much for your wonderful support. So it is also a happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Accessible. And we are going to board on this beautiful yacht along the Douro Valley, and let's go, let's celebrate.
Here we are.
As we departed from Freccio Marina, the day greeted us with a blanket of clouds. The soft diffuse light created an intimate atmosphere, perfect for conversation and contemplation. There is something peaceful about starting a journey under an overcast sky. It invites you to slow down, to breathe, and to be present. The Douro River is the soul of Porto. For centuries, this river has carried stories, traditions, and the famous port wine from the terrace vineyards of the valley all the way to the Atlantic Ocean. As we glide along its waters, we are not just moving through space, we are traveling through time, witnessing a landscape that has inspired poets, artists, and dreamers for generations. Here we are contemplating the bridges. One of Porto's most distinctive features, it is its collections of bridges. There are 6 magnificent structures that span the river, each representing a different era of engineering and ambition. And here, as a French person, I feel a special connection because 2 of these bridges were designed by French engineers. In 1877, the Maria Pia Bridge was completed, designed by none other than Gustave Eiffel's company. Nearly a decade before, his iconic tower would define the Parisian skyline. This railway bridge, soaring 60 meters above the water, was a marvel of its time, holding the record of the world's longest single arch span. Just a decade later, in 1886, another iron masterpiece would rise beside it. The Don Luis First Bridge, this time designed by Théophile Sérine, Eiffel's former partner and disciple. With its distinctive double deck and graceful arch, the Don Luis First Bridge became Porto's most iconic symbol. When it opened, it too claimed the title of the world's largest arch bridge. Standing here, I feel the beautiful connection between France and Portugal, 2 countries united by wine, culture, and these magnificent iron bridges. The Douro is more than just water. It reflects everything: the city, the sky, the light. On this day, it reflected our journey. We started quietly under clouds, but as we continued toward the ocean, something magical happened. The clouds became to part, sunlight broke through, and the atmosphere changed from peaceful to joyful.
This is a spumante, like
Yes.
a champagne,
Yeah.
but without chemicals,
Yeah.
any kind of chemicals. And this is the best brand we have in Portugal, and is a super reserve.
Purser Reserve, and it's really, I appreciate you opening this today for our 5th-year anniversary.
It's an honor.
Thank you, thank you.
As we approached the Arabida Bridge, the river widened. The air changed, fresher, saltier. We could feel the proximity of the Atlantic Ocean. Here, where the river meets the sea, there is a sense of infinite possibility. The landscape opens up, and so does your perspective. We anchor in a tranquil spot surrounded by natural beauty and the gentle sound of water lapping against the yacht. Here, we raised our glasses of champagne and shared traditional Portuguese petiscos, simple, honest flavors that speak to the essence of this place. Cut meats, local cheeses, and fresh bread. These are the tastes of Portugal. Enjoy with friends under an unexpectable perfect sky.
Je veux souhaiter joyeux anniversaire à Accessible pour ses 1 an et remercier Joyce pour cette opportunité de faire partie de cette merveilleuse équipe. Et encore une fois, merci et joyeux anniversaire.
Un très joyeux anniversaire à Accessible. Merci à Joyce et toute son équipe pour les merveilleux contenus qu'ils nous offrent. Et longue vie à Accessible.
Feliz aniversário para Accessible, beijinho muito especial para a Joyce, uma pessoa fantástica. Espero que este canal tenha coisas muito boas e que venha a trazer muitas alegrias a todos nós. Obrigada!
Desde já quero deixar os parabéns por este projeto incrível que faz hoje 1 ano, de partilhas, de cultura. É uma ótima pessoa, é uma pessoa que acho que vai crescer muito, vai poder partilhar connosco muitas e boas novidades, histórias, culturas e espero que continue durante muitos mais anos e desde já parabéns ao Accessible.
Avant toute chose, je voudrais féliciter Accessible et souhaiter que ce nouveau projet qui a 1 an et le succès que tout le monde attend et qui va avoir, j'en suis convaincu. Et en deuxième lieu, je voudrais féliciter aussi Joyce pour sa capacité d'écouter, de voir et d'essayer de comprendre les gens, leur culture, leur métier, leur tradition. Elle a toujours ce regard différent comme journaliste et c'est ce qui fait son charme dans son nouveau projet et qu'on est attentif et en espérant que le nouveau reportage il va avoir encore beaucoup d'adhésion et je lui souhaite tout le meilleur du monde. Merci.
Joyeux anniversaire Accessible pour qui je souhaite beaucoup de réussite et que ça continue sur ce bel élan avec beaucoup de projets les plus stimulants les uns que les autres. Et merci Joyce pour ta positivité à toute épreuve et la belle équipe que tu as formée. Gros bisous depuis la France.
Hello Joyce, we're very happy that you're celebrating your 1st year as Accessible. We're here with Carmen and Andrea. We wish you a lot of success, that the followers keep growing like they're growing, and all the success and all the best things in the world.
Yes, you know that we are here for you if you need. We are your friends and it's an honor for us to celebrate life with you. kisses and hugs from me, Andrea, little Carmo, and Joel.
Happy birthday, Accessible!
It's been an honor to be part of this amazing journey.
And I cannot wait to see where this will lead us.
And I'm excited for everything we will accomplish together.
Congratulations!
As we celebrate Accessible first anniversary, we are reminded that the best journey combines good planning with the joy of unexpected moments. We begin in clouds and we found ourselves in sunlight. We followed an ancient river and discovered something timeless.
So as we are finishing this beautiful 1 year celebration of Accessible, let's go together in this new adventure, new chapter of Accessible with inspiring future guests, future destinations, future places where I'm hoping together with my team will bring to you, and I hope that will stick with you into your heart especially. So until then, I wish you a beautiful night or beautiful day, and I will see you soon on our next adventure with Accessible. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.